Just a quick build to show. Old barn built in 1880. Did a clad job on it here. Built this lean-to off of the barn a couple years ago. Something neat that we did on this one is just to make sure that it's a good weather seal on a sliding door, since it's such a challenge. As you can see that we've got a one consistent flashing in there. When I say flashing, I mean a piece of 1/4-inch steel. And then it goes all the way over in there. So if there's like a cow that's rubbing on it, so you got this nice wide receiver in order for the door to slide into. Nice big heavy duty over center latch. Weather seal at the bottom, that's adjustable. We've also got our own brand of door slides in there, so if you want, there's an option where you can get a pin to drop in there that goes on the back side of the door in order to stop it. This door here was a neat customer request, so we wanted a double swing door here. So you've got a view into the barn there. Slides the other way, there you can see the logs sitting there. So something that we had to do on this one is you can see where the logs were, and we've got our steel I-beam in there. We had a log that was about half rotten through, so we decided we'd take that out and we could put the steel frame in here. So we've now got it big enough so that the customer can bring his skid steer in here to help clean out the barn. We've also got it so it's a full wide open here so that he can bring it in. So we've got a nice wide opening there. It's just big enough for a skid steer to fit into. It can also kind of show you. So here we put a 16-inch concrete beam underneath and then wet set this. So then we know that we've got solid concrete underneath of our 3/8 plate. And then we've got solid concrete in here because we poured it from the top to make sure that we could fill these voids in here to make sure that it was a really good solid structure to go in here. This side we ended up just GRKing because we had good logs that we could go into there. Some 1/2-inch rub bars for cattle as they're running out. And then also as an added feature on this one here too, the customer requested that he could lock this door open. So we've just got this quick catch here. It's a big heavy door, so it can lock in there. So that as there's a cow or an animal, you know, if you're trying to chase into the barn, then you're not trying to fight them too hard. And then we gave them a second one here as well for just a full open spot as well. If you're cleaning and you want full clearance for the animals to go in, or whether you're cleaning the barn out with the skid steer or whatever you got going on, it's a good setup. So here you can see we've got 100% opening there. We've got greasable hinges. We got 4 sets of them on there as well. So it's a good solid build. Nice upgrade to this old log barn.